guys, it's Amy from Pennington Design Pottery, and today I have a super special announcement. I have been daydreaming of this moment for quite a while, and it's here now, and so I'm super excited to share with you guys. It's finally time. I am going to be getting a new studio. So years ago, probably about 3 years ago, commandeered our back garden shed, and it has served its purpose, but thankfully my business has outgrown it. And so we are going to be building a new studio, and I am so excited about this because obviously, we've been able to make it work pretty well, but it has its limitations. I think this shed is about 10 feet long by 8 feet wide. It's, no, I think it's actually less than that. I don't know the exact dimensions, but it's small, and I don't have my kiln in here. It's in the garage. I'm still not 100% sure on whether I'm going to be moving that into the new studio because we have to work out wiring, but we will for sure be making a kiln room so that if we do get the wiring sorted out, we can bring the kiln out here. So today is the first day of shopping. So I'm super excited because this is kind of like the final commitment, like the first step. So I'm going to be doing this on a semi-budget. So we are going to be visiting a salvage yard in Mount Vernon, which is a town, 2 towns north of me. So we're going to be looking today for windows. I will have a total of 4 windows in here and an exterior door, which hopefully I can find one with a window in it. But we'll see what we find. It's a super fun salvage yard. I've been there a few times and they have so much good stuff. I love it. So let's get to shopping. Another day, we went to the salvage yard and didn't find anything. The exterior doors were well outside of my budget. The cheapest one that we were finding was like $600, which just felt like a lot for a used door. So, and we didn't really find any windows either. There was no like matching windows. They were very like one-off. And so we hit Facebook Marketplace and we found, what did we find, Nolan? Where are we sitting in? A boat?
No.
A chair. A new studio chair, which I'm excited about so that I can have a place to sit down and film some stuff when I need to. And just a pretty chair for my pretty studio to be. So we got the chair, we got 2 windows and a door. I don't have the door here, it's at my parents' place at the moment, but it's gonna need a paint job, but I got that for $120, which is much more in budget. And I got 2 windows for $100 each, which seemed like a fair price. And then this chair for $100. So not too bad. Not too bad for a Facebook Marketplace, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Hello, YouTube. So I wouldn't call today demo day so much as dismantling day, and I'm out of breath because I'm working on this. So aside the pottery studio, I had a garden that was lined with bricks and shrubs, and because the studio is essentially going to be coming out to about the edge of this garden, we're needing to rip it up, and it's coming out past the garden. So I've been busy moving bricks, which isn't loads of fun, but it needs to get done. So I am busy doing that. I've already taken out the shrubs and moved them elsewhere. Working on taking up the bricks. I've got a few more left, close to done. And then we'll see how it goes. I have a couple of errands to do later, but I'm hoping to maybe get the greenware that I have in the studio right now packed up in the kiln so that we can take down the shelves in there. So yeah, dismantling day, that's what we're calling it.